as I possibly can, and then turn the head back. So their mouth and teeth hit into this at the highest possible point. Right? Like this, like that. And you can tell because they hitch their top canine, or bear-nine, I guess it is, into a side like this, and open their mouth, and then your bottom jaw moves, right? So they will hitch one part of it, the top part here, and then bring their jaw up, this, squeeze it in. Yes. Yeah, just like that. That's right.
Bend their head almost backwards for that.
They do bend it backwards. But when you do that,
right?
but look, if your mouth was up here, well, you get it as high as you possibly can. Yeah, sort of.
Oh, Zoe's got it. There you go. Oh, we're video.
Yes. All right, black bear. Yeah. Magnificent.